Okay, question 3. So let's start up by marking up what it is we're being asked to do. Show how both these statements can be true. Both these statements. Okay, which two statements? Okay, builders in Hull, average day rate is less than 153. Peter, make this about you. Peter says the average day rate is the same in Hull as in London. Okay, so we've got the builder saying one thing and Peter, Carla saying the other. Okay, so we're director of a building company, we're employing builders. So we're told this as a matter of fact, the average day rate of our builders in London is 153. And we've then got this table of information. We now need to decide what maths it is we're going to do. And the key here is this number keeps being given to us, or this word keeps being given to us, average. So we clearly have to do some averages here. And if we're not told, we've got 3 types of average, haven't we? Mean, mode, median. And if we're not told which one, then that means we are going to do a mean calculation. Not sure how I can show both these statements can be true, but let's do this calculation first and see where we get to. So to calculate the mean, so this is Hull, isn't it? I've got to add all of these numbers up, 290 plus 75, and then I'm going to divide by how many there are. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 7. Okay, let's go and do that. Okay, so I've added those up on my calculator. It comes to 1071, which we're going to divide by 7. Okay, so we've done our mean calculation, and we can see that we've got an answer of 153. So let's go and have a look at these statements. Builders in Hull say their average day rate is less than 153. Well, no, it's the same. Carla, Peter says the average day rate is the same. Okay, so we've agreed. So we've agreed this, haven't we? But we haven't agreed that. So let's go back and look at our instructions again. Show how both these statements can be true. Okay. Maybe I was a bit too hasty here, where I said average is mean. Let's see if we can use another average. So the two that I've got to choose from are mode and median. Now, mode is the one that's most common. Well, they're all different, so let's not worry about that. But median is the one in the middle, so let's do that. Let's see what that brings. So we're going to now do a median calculation. Now, I couldn't see at the start of this question that I was going to need to do both. So it was only once I'd started that it became clear that I might need to do something else. So median calculation, I need to put these in order, starting with the smallest. Next smallest, 84. Next smallest, 89. 115. Cross them off as you go. 290 and 298. 290, 298. There should be 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the one in the middle is 115. So if the builders use the median, their statement is true. If we use the mean, then Peter's statement, Carla's statement, is true. So using 2 different averages, both statements are true. builders using the median 115, Carla using the mean 153. Okay, so that was quite an interesting but tricky question, because it wasn't clear what we needed to do until we'd actually got stuck in and done the first part. So show how both these statements can be true. Yes, I have done that. Okay, so I've done that. Did I use all this information? Average day rate, yes, I used that. I used this in the table. I started doing the mean, so I did that. Then I went on and did the median. So yes, I've got the builders right. They say their average day rate is less than 153. 115 is less than 153. So that's good. And yes, I've done that one already. Okay, interesting question. I hope you found it useful.